These cable ties secure wire bundles and harness components quickly without slipping. The self-locking head with heavy double teeth on the one-piece lock mechanism assures the reliability you come to expect. They are available in a variety of sizes and styles, including weather-resistant black nylon for indoor or outdoor use and natural nylon for indoor use only. Our cable ties are UL Recognized and RoHS compliant. This item is sold in bags of 100. To check out this and many more products, visit discountlowvoltage.com.